How to understand the spiral roundabouts, the downhill lane junction. The first chapter, we're heading towards Washington on the A1290, towards the Nissan car plant. On approach, the traffic signs show traffic lights and a sharp left bend. We're following the A1290 towards Nissan. The direction sign shows Nissan A1290 is 2 lanes, and we're given the choice, the left is best. It's a sharp left-hand bend, traffic lights around the corner. Check your mirrors, remember, as you're slowing down. Make progress onto the junction. We're taking the second exit. So crossing the bridge, left mirror, indicate left. Lights stay on green, so let's make progress along the A1290 towards the Nissan car plant. The next chapter, we're going to turn right at the roundabout, taking the 4th exit towards Bolden, up the downhill lane. 4th exit Bolden. Mirrors indicate right. Again approaching the traffic lights. On joining the roundabout, stay in the far right lane. The left 2 lanes go on the A1290. Bolden. Continue indicating right. The lane splits into 2, stay in the right hand side. Bolden. With the lights changing, we make progress. Look left, indicate left, and move into the left-hand lane. Continue indicating left. The next exit is the 4th exit, Bolden, downhill lane. Lights change, make progress. Cancel indicator, make progress up the road. The next chapter, we're approaching the downhill lane junction. We're going to turn right, 3rd exit, Tyne Tunnel, A19 North. Again on approach, mirrors indicate right, move into the right lane, A19 North. Don't try and do this in the left lane. And again, joining the roundabout, move into the right lane. Remember, the left 2 lanes are the A1290 only. Continue indicating right. And as we pass the 2nd exit, look left, indicate left, move into the left-hand lane. On this occasion, the lights have remained green. Move over into the left-hand lane and make progress down the acceleration lane. It's 40 miles an hour. The next chapter, we're heading back from Washington. We're going to turn right at the roundabout, third exit towards Hilton Castle on the Washington Road. Approaching the junction, we move to the right into the middle lane. Don't indicate at this point. If we indicate right, we're telling other road users we're moving into the right lane for the A19 South. Maintain your lane position, which takes you into the left lane. At this point, check your mirrors and indicate right. We're telling people who are emerging from downhill lane in front of us that we're not turning left. If we indicate left here, we're turning left. Mirrors now indicate left and make progress up the Washington Road. Back in the direction of the test centre. This chapter we're heading north on the A19 and we're going to come off at the downhill lane junction. We're going to head towards Nissan on the A1290 towards Washington. Three stripes, check your mirrors. Two stripes indicate to leave the A19 North. Maintain your speed until you've left the A19. I'm going to continue indicating left to tell the traffic behind that we're not moving into the right hand lane and that we're going to leave at the first exit at the roundabout in front of us towards Nissan, the A1219, ultimately towards Washington. The lights have stayed on green, so make progress down the A1290. This chapter we're heading north on the A19 and we're going to come off at the downhill lane interchange. This time we're going to turn right, fourth exit towards Hilton Castle. Three stripes, check your mirrors. Two stripes indicate. Maintain your speed until you leave the highway. We're turning right, fourth exit, so head towards the right hand lane. Mirrors indicate right. Climbing the bank towards the roundabout. Fourth exit, Hilton Castle. The sign in front of us says the road splits into three lanes. We need to stay in the far right lane. The left two lanes are the A1290 going towards Nissan. Continue indicating right and move into the right hand lane. The left hand lane goes back onto the A19. As we pass the exit in front of us, left mirror, blind spot, indicate left, move into the left hand lane, then indicate right, Again, if we indicated left, we're telling the traffic behind us that we're turning left to go towards Bolden. Lights are changed. Let's make progress. Look left, indicate left, and make progress towards Hilton Castle. The final chapter heading south from Testo's roundabout. Speed limit is national speed limit, but we're turning left here. The right lane going down the A19 South is national speed limit. The left lane